my name is Kelsey Self, and I did my assessment on Devin, who is a kindergarten student in a general education classroom. The skill that I was assessing was identification of flat 2D shapes. There were 5 different shapes that I was looking for: the circle, the square, triangle, rectangle, and hexagon. After observing Devin, I realized that he did not know some shapes, and after looking at his evaluations, I also saw that he had low mathematical skills. So I knew I wanted to see where he was at in his math skills. I had also talked with his kindergarten teacher and his resource teacher to see what they might be working on. And one of the things that they both were working on were shape identification. The assessment looked similar to this, and it was a one-on-one assessment with Devin, and I would show Devin a shape and he would tell me what it is, and I would show him just a plastic shape. I would not show him the paper. I just showed him a plastic shape that he could pick up and that he could feel and that he could move around. And I started with the circle, and he actually did know the circle, so he got a plus for the circle. Then I would show him the square, and he did not recognize the square, so he told me, I don't know. So then we moved on to the triangle, and he was able to tell me the triangle, so he's got a plus there. Minus for the square because he did not know, plus for the triangle. He also did not know the rectangle or the hexagon. So he knew 2 out of the 5 shapes. So he got 2 correct and 3 incorrect. This shows me that he is actually learning some of his math skills in kindergarten in his resource room. During the assessment, Devin was very compliant and willing to work with me, but he was very shy, as any kindergartner probably would be to a new person. We did not make any small talk, but he would answer my questions, and he said, I don't know, when he didn't know an answer. And I also believe that Devin did provide his best effort. He tried very hard, and he was very focused the entire time. Of course, the assessment was very short, which should be for a kindergartner. He was not distracted, and he was very willing to answer. This assessment shows me that he has a strength for learning math, that he can learn, and that he tries his best. He also enjoys touching and feeling different objects, so he enjoyed touching the different shapes. I also learned that Devin's math skills are growing, and in his evaluation, his math skills were low, and he was not able to complete any of the skills in his curriculum-based assessment. So this is an improvement from his evaluation.